Well, namaskaram, baunara, vanakkam, namaskar, all of it from Patna where the political action is playing out. My first trip to Patna, I'm a novice in Bihar politics, but I've got the two NDTV Bihari mascots, Manoranjan Bharati, aka Baba in the newsroom, and Prabhakar Kumar to guide me through the intricacies of Bihari politics. But let me start with a light question, Baba. Which is prettier, Karnataka's Vidhan Sauda or your Bihari Vidhan Sauda?
हमारा विधानसभा देखिए कितनी अच्छी लाइटिंग की हुई है, कितने अच्छा, इसलिए आप यहाँ पे आए भी एंकरिंग करने के लिए कि सबसे अच्छा लोकेशन है।
Baba, as a senior political reporter, you will have to come to Karnataka as well. And we also have Prabhakar Kumar here. Prabhakar, a lot of political action today. We have some real special political guests joining us right here from location. What's your big takeaway today? Mahagathbandhan announcing that Tejasvi Yadav is the chief ministerial face and Sani as the deputy CM face, or the Prime Minister hitting out on the Karpuri Thakur controversy and hitting out at Rahul Gandhi, reaching out to the EBC vote. Which is the big takeaway?
Yeah, that would happen tomorrow, but today's the confusion in the Mahagathbandhan has been settled for good. So there was a speculation regarding the chief minister face and the deputy chief minister face, and it gave opportunity to the opposition actually to hit at Mahagathbandhan. So today it has been settled for good. It had been settled from official platform there at Patna. Chief Minister face, Tejasvi Yadav has been declared as a Chief Minister face, which the Congress was so far reluctant to do so. And Mukesh Sahni was adamant on being declared as the Deputy Chief Minister, which has been done today. So he managed to kind of bargain with the Congress and with the RJD. And finally, we saw two happy faces today on the dais.
As a starter in Bihar politics, I can't understand how a party with 2% vote share can turn around and be Deputy Chief Minister face that's projected. But we'll focus on all that. One of the ideas of this entire journey here for mine in Bihar is to make Bihar politics and the intricacies relatable to the rest of India from a novice's point of view, trying to understand. And as I try to understand, and I can only try, I don't know if I'll succeed, but as I try to understand Bihar, we'll have multiple journeys that will play out for you, bringing the southern flavor into this Bihari election. But for the moment, let's listen to the serious political statements that came in earlier in the day from Tejasvi Yadav, who has announced the MGB's chief ministerial face, ending controversies and questions, and also the Prime Minister speaking to booth workers in Bihar. Listen in to these two voices before we go ahead.
हम लोगों में कभी कभी कंफ्यूजन रहा ही नहीं किसी भी बात को लेकर के। ये तो आप लोगों में न्यूज़ तरह तरह का लोग चलाते रहे हैं, और बिहार की जनता हो या महागठबंधन हो, इस मामले को लेके हमेशा से स्पष्ट रही। लक्ष्य वो नहीं है, लक्ष्य है बिहार को बनाने का, और हम लोग जो है बिहार को आगे ले जाएंगे। हम लोगों के पास विजन है, रीजन है, ब्लूप्रिंट है, अनडाइंग पैशन है, नए सोच के हैं, सबको साथ लेके चलना है, नया बिहार बनाना है। हम लोग तो जा रहे हैं, लेकिन बात अब ये है कि अमित शाह जी ने तो क्लियर किया नहीं, बीजेपी ने क्लियर किया नहीं कि एनडीए का मुख्यमंत्री कौन होगा।
युवा चेहरे को घोषित करने पे थे
कि मुख्यमंत्री जी को स्पष्ट कर देना चाहिए अपने गठबंधनों को कि वहां से उधर से कौन होगा मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा।
मुकेश सहनी जी के नाम की घोषणा से क्या फर्क पड़ेगा ईबीसी वोटर्स पे, आपको लगता है जातीय से?
देखिए, मुकेश सहनी जी तो उनकी घोषणा हुई है, साथ में और भी अलग अलग वर्ग के लोगों को जो है हम लोग जो है इसमें डिप्टी सीएम में जो है और भी लोगों को भी इंक्लूड करेंगे।
कर्पूरी ठाकुर जी को जननायक ये सोशल मीडिया की ट्रोल करने वाली टीम ने नहीं बनाया। कर्पूरी ठाकुर को जननायक बिहार के जन जन ने बनाया, और उनके जीवन को देख करके बनाया था। और मैं तो बिहार के लोगों को कहूंगा कि जरा चौकन्ने रहिए। ये जननायक पद कर्पूरी ठाकुर से ही शोभायमान है। आजकल लोग ये जननायक की भी चोरी करने में लगे हैं, और इसलिए बिहार के लोगों से मैं जागरूक रहने का आग्रह करूंगा कि हमारे कर्पूरी ठाकुर साहब का ये जनता द्वारा दिया गया सम्मान कोई चोरी न कर जाए।
So the big political statements have been made, and I'm going to get into a serious political discussion with Karuna Sagar of the Congress, a former IPS officer who spent many years in Tamil Nadu. He can speak Tamil fluently, but he is now here, the Congress's spokesperson in Patna. I have Syed Larib Akram, who also understands Tamil Nadu quite well. In fact, he can speak a little bit of Tamil. Vanakkam, Syed.
Malay Vanakkam.
Malay Vanakkam, which is evening wishes. And then, of course, we have Guru Prakash Paswan of the BJP. Any South India connect to you, Guru Prakash Paswan?
There are things, but I cannot mention on record.
Off the record South India connection. So basically, the lesson is that every Bihari has some South Indian connection. Let me take that as the takeaway. And I also must let you in on a little secret. This gamcha was given to me by Baba, who's carrying a bag full of Bihari gamchas, because he told me the difference between a Bengali gamcha and a Bihari gamcha. I believe there's one in white as well. So we'll try and wear that white gamcha tomorrow. I'll also be in a dhoti. But now let me get to the serious politics of it. But before I get to serious politics, Karuna Sagar, what's the difference between an election in Tamil Nadu or Karnataka and an election in Bihar?
First, Vanakkam, and I welcome you to the Patliputra, the place of Chanakya. Now, elections are elections everywhere. For a cop, it's bandobast, it's man management, it's MCC violations, taking care. There you get biryani and chicken 65. Here you'll get liti chokha and tekwa you will get. And
Biryani and chicken 65, litti chokha and tekwa here.
And for a politician is the same. Is elections in Tamil Nadu or elections in Bihar are hotly fought, hotly contested. Everybody fights to win. So basically the spirit is the same.
All right, the spirit of an election is the same, but I must tell you it's slightly sultry, perhaps cool weather here in Patna. Let me go across with the first serious political question to Guru Prakash Paswan. MGB, you were saying, is in chaos. Today they've turned around and said Tejasvi Yadav is the chief ministerial face, categorical reassertion there. What does that mean? Are they taking the offensive to the NDA? They are questioning Nitish Kumar's future and leadership.
No, let me make this thing very clear to you and your viewers that there is absolutely no sense of clarity when it comes to vision, policy and leadership. It took them so many weeks. I mean, the last day of nomination is already out. There are 2 phases of election and it took them so many days. I mean, we are shocked, absolutely shocked, because on the one hand, we have the NDA alliance, a clear-cut form of leadership, proven record of governance, no compromise on crime, corruption and communalism, a forward-looking and a progressive agenda. Mr. Nitish Kumar today commands the faith of the people of Bihar. An average Bihari today is standing solidly with the vision, policy and the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. There is absolutely no doubt about that. And today's announcement by the Mahagathbandhan has shown us one thing, that in that camp, there is no vision, there is absolutely no imagination at all. And when it comes to leadership, I mean, they have still put an option open. One deputy CM would be Mukesh Saini. The another option is still open. Who are they trying to make fool of? The people of Bihar are clear in their minds. 14 crore people of Bihar, more than 7 crore voters of Bihar are going to solidly support and give their blessings to the NDA alliance. There is no doubt about it.
All right, you're saying there is no doubt about it. I know in Bihar politics, people shift sides very easily. So I'm going to shift sides because I'm going to put the allies together, the MGB, Syed and Karuna Sagar together, and I'm going to stand next to Guru Prakash Paswan. Syed, respond to what Guru Prakash Paswan saying. Late hai. There is a old Rajnikant dialogue which says, I'll come late, but I'll come with the latest.
Latest hour mein, latest hour mein.
Latest hour mein.
No, NDA is fully doubtful. इन्होंने कहा कि सवाल ये है बिहार के लिए कि नीतीश कुमार जो मुख्यमंत्री हैं उनको कौन कंट्रोल कर रहा है, कौन कमांड कर रहा है, वेयर इज चीफ मिनिस्टर. मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट धरने पर बैठते हैं, मुलाकात नहीं होती है. मेंबर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली, इसी विधानसभा के सदस्य जो है उनके पार्टी के, उनसे मुलाकात नहीं होती है. तो एक दाएं जो डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर बिठाया है, जिनके ऊपर हत्या का आरोप है, जिनके ऊपर बहुत संगीन आरोप है, एक बाएं जो डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर मिस्टर सिन्हा को बिठाया है, उनके ऊपर भी तमाम तरह के आरोप हैं. वो बिल्डर है, लैंड ग्रैबिंग का मामला है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. तो मुख्यमंत्री हमारे बिहार के क्या कर रहे हैं, ये एक पहला सवाल है। दूसरा ये है कि एनडीए ने क्या कहा। आज से 6 महीना पहले, 1 साल पहले रैलियों में प्रधानमंत्री जी और पार्टी के दूसरे मुखिया ने ये बार बार कहा कि नीतीश कुमार जी ही मुख्यमंत्री होंगे।
Okay.
ये कहा है ऑन रिकॉर्ड। जब चुनाव नजदीक आता है तब ये कहते हैं कि हम इनके फेस पर ही चुनाव लड़ेंगे, लेकिन चीफ मिनिस्टरियल कैंडिडेट आप नहीं घोषित करते हैं, आप नहीं बताया।
Let me get Guru Prakash Paswan to quickly respond to that.
No, 2 things to the observations of my friends. Charges की बात कर रहे थे, आरोपों की बात कर रहे थे, मुझे याद आ गया अभी 3 दिन पहले IRCTC केस में यहाँ के बगल में होटल चाणक्य है, भारतीय रेलवे की 2 प्रॉपर्टीज को ठेका अपने मित्र को दे दिया गया, एवज में 93 करोड़ की जमीन लिखवा ली गई, लैंड फॉर जॉब, सो मेनी करप्शन. Today we did a press conference, Veer, and it was calculated that Mr. Lalu Yadav would be in jail for 32 years. If all his scams are combined, if it is put together, 32 years in jail. Mr. Tejasvi Yadav out on bail. Mr. Rahul Gandhi out on bail. And they have absolutely no moral authority or locus standi to speak about morality in politics. Land for job, fodder scams, so many things. 10 lakh naukri, 20 lakh naukri, one word he skips. 10 lakh mein naukri, 20 lakh mein naukri, zameen ke badle naukri. This is the reality.
Oh, you are saying that's the reality. Quickly.
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। सबसे पहला सवाल ये है, मैं पूछना चाहूंगा, हमारे साथी जवाब दें इसके बारे में। बिहार में आप जो जिस आरोप की बात कर रहे हैं, ये सीबीआई, ईडी, इनकम टैक्स, ये किसका पपेट है सबको पता है, पूरी दुनिया जानती है। सवाल ये नहीं है कि किसको चार्ज फ्रेम किया गया। आप तो चाहें तो कुछ भी कर दें। वो एक शेर है ना, बने अहले हवस मुद्दई भी मुंसिफ भी।
You need to translate for me.
किससे मुंसिफी चाहे कि जो अहले हवस हैं, जो हमारे ऊपर आक्रमण करने वाले हैं, वही वकील भी हैं और वही जज भी हैं। तो अब हम कहां जाएं? सवाल वो नहीं, सवाल ये है कि आप 20 साल में बिहार को कहां लेकर गए? एक पेपर आप नहीं करवा पाए, पर्चा लीक आपके यहां हो जाता है। क्या शासन व्यवस्था है, क्या आपने चलाई है? दूसरा सवाल यह है सर कि ग्रेजुएशन आप 3 साल में किया होगा, हमने भी किया होगा, आपने भी किया होगा। बिहार का एक युवा 5 साल 7 साल में ग्रेजुएशन करता है। आप एक बुनियादी सिस्टम को तो बना नहीं पाए और बड़ी बड़ी बातें
Okay, let me get Prabhakar also into this and Baba as well. Prabhakar, has there been a change in Bihar? Because the impression of Bihar to the outside world is that it still has a lot of crime, there is still a lot of unemployment, but has there been a genuine change in Bihar? That's the real question. Has Bihar changed, and is it just an image trap for those who are living outside?
No, see, if you compare the changes which has happened here compared to what it was before, the change it's a substantial change. It's a visible change in terms of infrastructure, in terms of many other facilities. But if you compare Bihar with the other states, the comparable states in terms of the size or the population, then that change does not stand anywhere. So it depends on what you're comparing with. So, that is what the case is.
That's the clear question. You are saying that the comparison, would you agree with that, Baba?
देखिए, सड़कें बन गई है, मरीन ड्राइव पटना में बन गया है, पटना से बाहर जाने के रोड बन गए हैं। लेकिन जो बात प्रभाकर ने कहा ना कि आप एजुकेशन में कहाँ पे हैं, आप हेल्थ में कहाँ हैं, वो जो पैरामीटर्स आप देखोगे ना, अभी भी नीचे है।
Abhi bhi niche hai. Guru Prakash Paswan.
2 things.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Karunasagar, you wanted to add something.
You see, they are talking about things of 20 years before. They are forgetting that this is not an election in 2005. This is an election in 2025. And you see the bankruptcy of ideas and bankruptcy of achievements of the double-engine government and 20 years of Mr. Nitish Kumar, that they still don't have anything to talk about. When you talk about corruption, their own cabinet minister in the Modi government, Jitan Ram Manji, has said that there is a estimate scam here. Every project gets escalated by cost.
Okay.
Last 3 years, 70 bridges, incomplete bridges have fallen here. There has been 71,000 crores which CAG has pointed out, which has not been accounted for. In last 5 years, 3,54,000 crores have not been spent by this state government, and out of which 40% is centrally sponsored welfare schemes, which would have directly gone and benefited to the people, and they are not even able to spend the money.
All right, let me get Guru Prakash Paswan to respond before I go to the other political reactions.
No, you can get some other political reaction, but since you have only one person from my side of the alliance, I think I deserve some cumulative amount of time. But point number one, my friend suggested that the use of ED and CBI for the first time when Laluji went to jail, it was the Congress government in the center. In 2006, when this case was registered, it was the UPA in the center. So I think this argument falls flat. Number two, I ask you to travel just 5 minutes from here. There is a place called Mithapur. You would see there Chanakya National Law University, National Institute of Fashion Technology, Chandragupta Institute of Management. You travel 30 minutes down there, you will see an IIT. In Bodh Gaya, there is an IIM. Bihar is the only state that is blessed with 2 All India Institute of Medical Sciences. The Purnia Airport, the Darbhanga Airport, the new terminal of Patna Airport has profoundly transformed this entire region. And I am throwing an open challenge. You're talking about health indicators. IMR data, infant mortality rate, maternal mortality rate, the institutional deliveries, which was less than 20 before 2005. Today, there is more than 80% of deliveries which are institutional deliveries. Any indicator, over Ganga, there is a 6-lane bridge. Raghopur, which has been the constituency of Mr. Lalu Yadav for the last 30 years. For the last 30 years, you won't believe that entire constituency used to be cut from civilization when there was flood. But Abhi Kachi Dargah, 6-lane bridge over Ganga has rejoined that, has given a feeling. Now the entire electorate, people of Bihar have made up their mind, regardless of caste, the vision is going to be Viksit Bihar for Viksit Bharat. And no amount, whatever negative politics of caste or violence my friends from the other side may subscribe to, but people of Bihar have realized the clean governance of Mr. Nitish Kumar on every given socio-economic indicator, on institutions, on infrastructure, on connectivity. Bihar is doing phenomenally well. But having said that, I would still say that we need to build upon some foundations for prosperity. Honorable PM has said that prosperous East India and Bihar should be the gateway to the prosperous East India, and we are going to prepare Bihar in the next 25 years.
So you are saying it's a vision for Bihar 25 years. I know this discussion will go on. I invite all 3 of you to have litti choka with me on a banana leaf tomorrow to figure this discussion out. But I also have some pointed specific political questions. Before I get to those questions, let's just listen into the other political reactions of the day. We'll get back to our guests in just a bit. Listen into these political reactions.
आरजेडी, आर का मतलब रंगदारी, जे का मतलब जंगल राज और ड का मतलब दादागिरी। ये आरजेडी है, इससे बचकर रहना। ये हाथी के दांत दिखाने के और खाने के और है। जो लोग मां बहनों की इज्जत नहीं कर सकते हो, वो सुरक्षा देंगे।
वर्ष 2005 से पूर्व बिहार ऐसी हालत में था उन लोगों का कि लोग परेशान थे। पूरे राज्य में डर एवं भय का माहौल था। समाज में विवाद होता था। न सही ढंग से पढ़ाई की व्यवस्था थी, न इलाज की, न बिजली की, न सड़क की। पहले वाली सरकार ने कुछ काम नहीं किया। इसलिए याद रखिएगा, उन लोगों को कभी वोट मत दीजिए। जब से हम लोगों की सरकार बनी है तब से कानून का राज है। कोई झगड़ा झंझट नहीं होता है। सभी के लिए काम किया, चाहे हिंदू हो, मुस्लिम हो, अपर कास्ट हो, पिछड़ा हो, अति पिछड़ा हो, दलित हो, महादलित हो।
Well, so you heard Mr. J.P. Nadda, who's campaigning here in Bihar. You also heard the other reactions that came in earlier in the day. You heard Nitish Kumar there. We'll also listen to the Congress's Ashok Gehlot before we get back to our political guests.
अनाउंसमेंट के साथ ही बड़ा मैसेज गया है पूरे बिहार के अंदर और बिहार के बाहर भी गया है।
नीतीश कुमार के लिए क्या भविष्यवाणी करेंगे अशोक गहलोत?
नीतीश कुमार जी को तो मैं समझता हूँ कि ये धोखा दे रहे हैं। ये लोग जिस प्रकार बिहेव कर रहे हैं ना, इनको स्पष्ट कहना चाहिए हाथों में हमारे मुख्यमंत्री के चेहरे ये होंगे। अमित शाह जी आए यहाँ पर, कन्फ्यूजन पैदा करके चले गए जानबूझ करके, योजनाबद्ध तरीके से। ये उनका सोचा समझा षड्यंत्र है एक प्रकार से कि कैसे हम जनता को भ्रमित रखें, नीतीश जी के नाम से भी रखें और बाकी माहौल बनाए ऐसा। तो ये धोखा देने वाली बात है मेरे हिसाब से।
अच्छा, क्या कांग्रेस का
अमित शाह जी नहीं करके गए यहाँ पर?
कोई कांग्रेस का भी डिप्टी सीएम सर होगा, जैसा कि आपने
ये बातें बात की है। देखिए, आज तो फैसला हमने सोच समझ के किया है। अब आने वाले वक्त में जैसे चुनाव चलते जाएंगे फैलते होते।
एक मेरा आखिरी सवाल सर, 13 सीट पर फ्रेंडली फाइट है, इसको कब तक सुलझा लिया जाएगा? आज लास्ट
देखिए,
डेट है।
सुलझाने की बात नहीं होती। देश भर में कई जगह फ्रेंडली फाइट होती है। जो स्थिति हमें चुनाव जीतना सरकार बनानी है, उसके अंदर जो पार्टियों के फ्रेंडली फाइट के लिए खड़े हो गए, मान लो लोकल परसेप्शन होता है, लोकल मजबूरी होती है, और कई बार सूट करता है उम्मीदवारों को भी कि फ्रेंडली फाइट होगी तो हम चुनाव जीत पाएंगे। तो ये तो चलता रहेगा, ये हमारे लिए बहुत कोई समस्या नहीं है।
So you heard all the political reactions. I must confess though to all my guests here, I thought post Diwali it will be a little cool, but it seems quite sultry. I think the political heat is catching up with everyone. Karuna Sagar, you wanted to make a quick point to what Guru Prakash Paswan said earlier.
You see, Guru Prakash has forgotten that there has been no investment, there has been no industry, and Mr. Amit Shah says there is no land here, that's why there cannot be any industry here. And 1,050 acres has been given to Adani for 1 rupee. Okay. And he is going to sell to the people of Bihar the costliest power in the country. So it's not that, it's the intent is not there. The Prime Minister came here, he said in Motihari, he spoke to the people of Motihari, said that Motihari sugar mill will be opened. Next time I come, I'll have a tea with that sugar mill. That sugar mill has been almost become a scrap now, and nothing has happened.
Okay, you're making a point. You've made your point. I want to move beyond this face-off. On the one side, Guru Prakash Paswan says there's been enormous development. Our vision is 25 years hence. Bihar is changing. Bihar is shining. Bihar is emerging. On the other side, Syed and Karuna Sagar saying no, there has been nothing that's happened. Bihar still is regressed down further. There's no investments. We'll keep that face-off up ahead. But I want to come to a specific political question here, Prabhakar. The choice of Mr. Saini as the deputy CM candidate. I just saw the data and explain this to someone who doesn't understand Bihar very well. What's the importance of having somebody with just a 2% vote share in the past elections as a deputy chief ministerial face? How does that resonate in Bihar?
See, you have to see beyond that, beyond what he actually got in the last election. So, Mukesh Saini sells himself as a EBC leader. He does not see himself as a Nishad leader or a leader of particular caste, but he sees himself or sells himself, I would say, as a EBC leader, and he clearly makes a point that bringing him into the fold actually would add the EBC votes or dent into the EBC vote, which are traditionally voting for NDA. So that is what actually increases his bargaining capacity, and that is how he actually got the promise of the deputy chief minister post today, because he had been demanding that for long, and he even went to threat that if that does not happen, he will walk out of the alliance. And today, it was, because of him, the press conference delayed for 1 hour. Tejasvi Yadav and the Gehlot had to go to his room, convince him to come down because he was not ready to sit on the dais today.
Okay. Baba, this reminds me of the PMK in the UPA and NDA days, a party with very, very little vote presence but could sway the election. Do you see this as a game changer?
और यही वजह है कि मुकेश सैनी को आपने देखा होगा कि राहुल गांधी ने अपने साथ जीप में हमेशा बैठा के रखा था, साथ लेके घूम रहे थे। वो जो ईबीसी का वोट है ना, जो प्रभाकर कर रहे हैं, जो कि अभी तक नीतीश कुमार का वोट, एनडीए का वोट माना जाता है, उसमें जब तक आप सेंध नहीं लगाएंगे तो आरजेडी के एमवाई में जो बढ़ोतरी करनी है आपको, तो उसके लिए वो वोट जरूरी है, और इसलिए मुकेश सैनी का इंपॉर्टेंट।
EBC vote, which is a bastion of the NDA, are you worried about the choice of Mr. Saini as the deputy chief ministerial face? They seem to have a categorical direction, at least at the moment.
No, see, Veer, our vision is absolutely clear that we speak on behalf of entire population. We don't speak on behalf of certain caste and communities. And I think this is the reason why Mr. Tejasvi Yadav has to time and again clarify that we are not MY party, we are party from A to Z. This is not a problem with Bharatiya Janata Party or NDA for that matter. If you categorically wants me to speak on EBC section, I think Mr. Nitish Kumar has been an unassailable leader from the ABC community. Point number one. Point number two, the largest leader from EBC community, Jan Nayak Karpuri Thakur. It was the Bharatiya Janata Party led government at the center that recognized Jan Nayak Karpuri Thakur with Bharat Ratna. And on the other hand, Mr. Lalu Yadav called him, referred to him as Kapti Thakur. This is on record. You can check with Baba, you can check with anyone here.
Let Syed respond to that and Karuna Sagar as well. Syed, please.
मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम चाहिए। अभी चूँकि आप एक बार पहले उन्होंने कहा तो मैं एक बिहार की तस्वीर आपको दिखाता हूँ। बिहार एक ऐसा प्रदेश है जिसमें बिहार स्कूल एग्जामिनेशन बोर्ड के चेयरमैन सेक्रेटरी सब जेल गए घोटाले में। बिहार ऐसा स्टेट है जिसमें बिहार एसएससी के सेक्रेटरी चेयरमैन सब जेल जाते हैं, तमाम कर्मचारी जेल जाते हैं। बिहार में आपने 15 साल में जिस नीतीश कुमार जी ने 2005 से एक ही रट था, एक ही सपना था, विशेष राज्य का दर्जा लेंगे, पटना यूनिवर्सिटी को सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी का दर्जा लेंगे, आज तक नहीं दिया उनको। वो गिड़गिड़ाते रहे। जहां तक रही बात आपने साहनी जी की, महागठबंधन और हमारी पार्टी हमेशा से पिछड़ों को, अकलियतों को, शेड्यूल कास्ट के लोगों को, सभी को सम्मान देने का काम किया और हमेशा देते हैं। यूज एंड थ्रो की पॉलिटिक्स अगर कोई करता है तो एनडीए करता है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी करती है। आपको नीतीश कुमार जी का वो जेस्चर, वो फिजिकल जेस्चर आपको ध्यान में होगा, ऐसे कहा था उन्होंने, सॉरी, इसको तो हम न बना दिए थे, जीतन राम मांझी जी के बारे में, इसको तो बना के सीएम गलती ना कर दिए थे, इसको तो हम बना, ये खैरात बांट रहे थे आप।
ओके,
आप खैरात में मुख्यमंत्री बनाते हैं, आप दलित चेहरा यूज करते हैं और फिर यूज एंड थ्रो करते हैं। सवाल ये नहीं है कि हमने किसको क्या बनाया और क्यों बनाया। इसलिए बनाया क्योंकि वो समाज जो हमेशा से हाशिए पर खड़ा है, आज उसको मेन स्ट्रीम में, पावर में शेयरिंग का हिस्सेदारी देने का हम काम कर रहे हैं।
Okay, you made your point, but I want to shift to another issue. And this is a question to an outsider who has been observing Bihar. The SIR campaign, Rahul Gandhi leading it, was a crucial optic image of the India alliance coming together. Today, should Rahul Gandhi have been present at the press conference to declare Tejasvi Yadav as the chief ministerial candidate? Because everybody knows in the Congress finally the decision is taken by the High Command. Why was he not there is a question that's repeatedly being asked, Mr. Karunasagar.
Yeah, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has been, on the hand all the time in this election. In fact, last week there was some issue with Mr. Mukesh Sahni, and Rahul ji spoke to Lalu ji, Tejasvi ji, and sorted out the issue. He got the seats he wanted, and he is a happy man. Today, again, he ensured that his declaration of Deputy Chief Minister was done. Okay. And he sent one of the senior most leaders in the country, Mr. Ashok Gehlot, to conduct this press conference, realizing the importance of the press conference. So it's not that he is not going to be there. And they have the plans of
okay, let me ask your ally. Were you a little disappointed that Rahul Gandhi was not there in the press conference where Tejasvi is announced as the chief ministerial face?
Definitely not. बिल्कुल भी नहीं। इसलिए कि सब सारी पार्टियों का अपना एक सिस्टम है, डिसिप्लिन है, पर्यवेक्षक आते हैं, और राहुल गांधी जी पूरे बिहार को यात्रा करके गए और अभी बिहार आने वाले हैं वो चुनाव कैंपेन में।
Guru Prakash Paswan wants to respond, but go ahead, Baba.
राहुल गांधी को होना चाहिए था आज। उनको यहाँ से गए हुए महीना भर से ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया। वो आसाम जा रहे हैं, वो बाकी जगह जा रहे हैं, लेकिन बिहार उनको अभी बिहार में होना चाहिए था। मुझे लगता है जितनी जल्दी बिहार में आकर कैंपेनिंग शुरू करेंगे महागठबंधन।
I think what Guru Prakash wanted to say has been said by Baba.
बाबा ने पूरी बात नहीं बताई। कोलंबिया गए थे, कॉफी बनाने के लिए कोलंबिया गए थे, शायद वहां से आने में लेट हो गया। अभी दिल्ली है, मैं दिल्ली
I'm a fan of filter coffee, so
no, we all like admire coffee, but you have to understand one thing. देखो, my friend was talking about discipline outside Patna airport. You know what happened? Congress Prahari, Mr. Allavaru, and the Congress state president was beaten, was physically assaulted in the land which we refer to as mother of democracy. This is discipline. You go to the Sadakat Ashram office, the one faction of Congress party is protesting. They're out in the protest. Tickets are being sold. There is an allegation 2.7 CR figure has been quoted not by us, by an RJD leader.
All right, you guys have made serious political points. I'm coming to the close of this conversation. I want a final advice from all four of you. Or sorry, 5 of you. What should I do first in Bihar? I've landed today. Prabhakar Kumar, start with you. What should I have for dinner tonight?
I mean, anything except idli and sambar, because I'm sure would not like to have that. So, and this is the Chhat time, so I would not advise you to go for non-veg as well.
Okay.
Because here
I'm a vegetarian, so I don't eat non-veg.
So I'll take you to a good Bihari cuisine place where they serve nice Bihari cuisine, and I'll treat you.
Okay, Guru Prakash Paswan, any advice for me as I travel through Bihar? Don't tell me take the 6-lane highways and see Bihar's beauty.
I'm disappointed that he's not taking me with you. So I think
No, you are welcome to come along.
No, you have to understand one thing. You have to go to Marine Drive. And I think he would agree that Marine Drive is the kind of infrastructure along with Gangaji. Mr. Devendra Fadnavis was here day before. He said this Marine Drive is beautiful than the Mumbai Marine Drive.
All right.
I'm just
more beautiful than Syed. Any advice for me? What do I get to see? Where do I get to see the real Bihar?
गांव में जाइए, ज़मीन पर जाइए, खीर खाइए, ठेकुआ खाइए, गुजिया खाइए, मज़ा आएगा। चोखा खाइए और सत्तू का पराठा खाइएगा।
अरे वाह।
मज़ा आएगा।
Veer Raghav, I'll tell you, he was talking about Marine Drive. Marine Drive is a showpiece. You go to the slums of this city, and the way the city has grown without any planning, without any infrastructure, without any support from administration, the way it's dirty, the way the sewers lines are open. So you just go across the city, see that, then you will be able to appreciate. And what Mr. Prabhakar said is that you have to compare Bihar. You see, you are from Tamil Nadu. I have worked in Tamil Nadu. We know what a developed state looks like and how it should be, and that's what
There
I
are
want.
questions about that state as well.
I want Bihar to be like that.
All right, you want Bihar to be like that. Baba, final word to you, my friend.
क्या खाने पे?
हाँ।
आपको भूजा खिलाएंगे कल। आज तो टाइम भूजा का खत्म हो गया। भूजा, हरी मिर्चाई और नमक।
It's all spicy. I hope I have the stomach for Bihar politics and Bihari food. But that's what I'm going to try and find out, because coming soon is this special series that we're going to bring to you from Patna and the rest of Bihar. And we're going to call it Namaskaram Bihar. As Battleground Bihar heats up, NDTV is mixing it up. How does Litti Choka taste on a banana leaf? How does Ayo sound when it collides with Are Bhai? And how does Masala Dosai roll out along with Thekwa? Where the Veshti meets the Gamcha. Elections, emotions, encounters. Namaskaram Bihar.